Hi guys, it's Greta, and today I'm going to show you how I do my full nail care routine. First, you'll want to begin with your fingernail clippers. The difference is fingernails are rounded while the toenail clippers are more squared and flat. I'm going to go ahead and cut my nails down to the length that I prefer. And once done with this hand, I'll go ahead and do the other. Taking my nail file, I am going to file down any harsh edges left over from clipping. I'll begin with the dark blue side, which is the rougher side. Then I'll be moving on to the light blue side, which is the softer side, and that'll just smooth out the nails nice and evenly. Please remember as you are filing your nails to file in one direction rather than going back and forth, as this breaks up the layers of the nail and causes more splitting. Add 1 cup of hot or warm water to your bowl. Add 2 pumps of hand soap. And roughly 1 spoonful of Epsom salt. Add the last cup of water to help stir, and further mix it with your spoon. Clear your towel for a clean working space. Begin soaking your hands for around 3 minutes. Once you're done soaking, pat both hands to dry. And apply your cuticle softener on the cuticles of each finger. With a cuticle pusher, I will be pushing my cuticles back and scraping the tops of my fingernails. With the opposite side of my cuticle pusher, I will use the scraping end to clean out underneath each fingernail. After I have completed this with both hands, I will take my little scrub brush and clean off the tops of my nails and the underneath edges of my nails. Now we are on to the massage portion. With a couple pumps of lotion, I will be massaging each hand with various methods of pressure and exercising of my fingers. Massage will increase blood flow to a particular area, which will promote healthy, glowing skin. Using rubbing alcohol and a cotton round, I will now wipe my nails free of any oil left over from the massage. Beginning with the darker side of my nail buffer, I will go over the entirety of each nail's surface to smooth them out. Then I will take the white side, which will just buff that to a shiny perfection. And thus concludes my full nail care routine. I hope this was a helpful video for you. Find me at 408beautybygreta on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel as I do make videos weekly. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is all free to you and helps out my channel. I'll see you guys next time.